Welcome guys to another video. Special video, we're gonna work on the Galaxy S10 and we're gonna work on this guy. We're gonna show you how to open it and how to take it apart in case you break something and you want to replace it. Okay, let's start by shutting our device off. I like to use today one of these plastic playing cards, so we're gonna use this to remove the back of this beautiful phone. Okay guys, very cool features add to this one. I will post some extra videos about them, but today is the opening. Today is how to open, how to take it apart, so let's get it. After I hit the back, I like to give it the first push with my razor blade. I go in between the frame and that glass and I lift it a little bit. As you guys can see, I'm not gonna cause any damage. I lift it a little bit and then I slide my playing card in there. As you guys can see, I already insert the playing card in between the frame and the glass. You see right there? No damage is being done. That's how it's supposed to be. And then while the phone, this back is still hot, warm, you're gonna just slide your playing card around like this. Remember, it has to be heat at a good temperature. We're just gonna go around, and when we see it's kind of hard to do it, we're gonna go ahead and heat it up once again. So you guys can see, we're gonna be doing this until we succeed opening this device. A little more. We went all the way around and now we're gonna be very gently looking inside and between there. See what do we have. Make sure we don't break anything. I start from the bottom always, because I know there is always cables right here by the camera because we have some stuff in there. I keep pressing the power button, so let me once again shut it off. So we're gonna be playing our way all the way to the bottom right there. I can have a sneak peek right now inside the phone. All right. I can tell you since right now, and boom, we don't have any connection whatsoever on this phone. And that's how you remove the back cover on the Galaxy S10. You don't have any kind of cable right here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you. No cables, because remember, we don't have a fingerprint on the back no more, so we're gonna put this on the side. Okay, we're gonna proceed and remove the 15 screws holding back this plastic frame, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of them at once. Alright guys, we successfully removed all the screws and now we're gonna remove these plastic holders. Basically this is just holding down the key components like the motherboard and battery, charging port. Okay, we're gonna use our pry tool and just play our way in here, which is very easy. You see, it doesn't even have like a strong clips. You just like poke it a little bit and it will come off. Same thing for the top. We're just gonna try to lift this in here, and you guys can see how easy it comes out. We're gonna put this on the side too, and we're gonna keep digging into the phone. As soon as I go and soon as I open the phone, wow, I'm amazed. Let me tell you something. I've been opening these phones and I see they go back and forth, back and forth. I feel like I'm opening like a different phone now, like a Galaxy S3. I remember the Galaxy S3, and I feel like I'm opening that phone, guys. Why? Because I mean, I'm going to remove this right now, but I'm gonna show you in just a little bit. Okay, let's start by unplugging cables. We don't have many cables on these, which is surprising how much technology have changed, or maybe how much technology use the old tricks, because now we have the home buttons are a contact, are not cables no more. They make contact directly with the motherboard, and we see these on other phones like things like Note 3 and something like that. They used to use the power button as contact, not a cable that connects to the motherboard. But anyways, we're gonna unplug all these cables: battery, LCD digitizer, and front camera right here, front camera. And I'm gonna just quickly remove the front camera. There you go. That's the front camera, in screen front camera. As you guys can see right there, you can see the LCD itself. You gotta be very careful when you work on this, because you drop something on that hole. You see that gold rim? That's the LCD already. Make sure you don't poke, or you don't even touch that. Don't look at it. Look at the other way. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera on the side, and I'm gonna proceed with the headphone jack. I like this, how they do the headphone jack still in this phone, and very easy to remove. There we go, very easy. You guys see, I just put my screwdriver inside and kind of twist it to the top, and it will come right off like this. Okay, I see we have 1, 2, 3 screws holding down this whole motherboard, nothing else. As you guys can see, the speakers are in this plastic holder. So let's remove these. I removed those 3 screws, and now I shall do what I had to do since the beginning: remove the SIM tray since the beginning. But for me, I'm gonna do it just right now. Okay, there we go, SIM tray out. And now we're going to proceed and remove the motherboard itself. I'm gonna again use my pry tool and try to lift this motherboard from one of the corners. Okay, be careful when you remove the motherboard, because the charging port has been like a little piece. The charging port is inside these frames. If you lift it at once, you might just break the charging port. So make sure you do it very careful and kind of just wiggle it like this, and it will come right off. And I'm gonna put this on the side and just show you the motherboard a little bit. Okay, we have the 3 cameras on for the back cameras. We have the flashlight, and we have some kind of sensor right here. If we flip it, we can see the connection for those 3 cameras. As you guys can see, we can change 2, and then we can change only 1. So that's pretty cool. We have the SIM tray for the SIM card and SD reader, and here we have the charging port which is very interesting, guys. I was telling you this phone is very similar to the older models because the charging port is built in the motherboard, guys. This is pretty exciting for us, like guys like me, then do soldering, and I would like to check on this one, to be honest. See how it goes, see how we're gonna do to change this charging port. Very, very interesting. So if you guys not into soldering, don't even attempt to open this phone to change the charging port, because it will not be as easy as the Galaxy S8 or S9, I believe. And that's how comes the charging port, guys. After that, the battery right here, we have the ear speaker, vibrator, but that's it, guys. If you guys want to change the screen on this phone, this is as far as you can go. Always I advise you to buy the screen with the frame, especially on these new OLED screens, and are very thin. At the moment of installation, you can break it if you're not professional. And we're going to just put this phone back the way it was, and I'm gonna do it the same way so you guys can see. I'm not gonna just fast forward, I'm gonna just do it at normal speed so you guys can probably go along if you did open this phone. Okay, to put back the motherboard, we just slide the charging port in there and lay the motherboard like this, just flat like that. And we're gonna put the 3 screws. There you go, guys. And I'm going to plug in the cables. We have the LCD connector. Don't forget to put the headphone jack. There you go. And the front camera. It's awesome, the front camera, guys. There you go. And last, our battery. Always do the battery last. And now I'm gonna just secure all these with this plastic holder. We're gonna put screws back on place. And that'll be the last one. That's it. We have all the screws back on place, and now we're going to just put back on place the back cover of this phone. If you guys messed up the adhesive, we can apply some B9000 to give an extra strong grip on the back. If you did mess up the adhesive, the original adhesive, just that's good enough. And we're gonna lay this back down just like before, just to finally finish our job here. So you guys can see, if you do the job correctly, you're not gonna have any openings like that. There you go, guys. So you guys can see, beautiful. And now we're gonna turn it on. There you go, guys. That's how you take apart your Galaxy S10. Don't forget to put your SIM card back on place, or you're not gonna be able to enjoy all those calls with your friends. I bet that's what you do the most every day. Okay, there you go, guys. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope it helped you to find out what's wrong with your phone, to find out if you can complete this challenge by yourself. Please be careful when you work on phones. If you don't feel comfortable, just bring it to a local business, local professional. And thank you guys for watching. I highly encourage people to fix their device by themselves if they are so brave to do it. I like to get those comments when the people tell me, oh, thank you, I just fixed my phone and it works awesome, I saved some money. It's awesome to get this type of comments. I mean, I really highly appreciate it. And I also listen to other people who give me some advices, or if I did something wrong, I never try to hate, or even when I get hate, I just try to be very mature and just take every advice I can. Thank you guys for bearing with me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.